Welcome on the bold topics, and I am Anand Main. US President Donald Trump is taking such decisions. He is giving such statements that have created turmoil all over the world. Now, Donald Trump has made such a disclosure on PM Modi that you will be surprised to hear. Actually, for the last several days, you must have been hearing that Trump is repeatedly saying that the Biden administration gave $21 million to increase voting turnout in India. But Trump has told for the first time what is this money was actually given for. Donald Trump has told that this money was given for the change of power in India. Trump has made a big announcement and said that preparation were going on to bring someone else to the power in India. Trump's direct meaning is that preparation were going on to remove PM Modi from power and bring someone else. Perhaps that is why these 21 millions were given. After hearing Donald Trump's statement, many people are now writing on social media that George Soros had vowed to remove PM Modi from power in the Biden administration. In such a situation, did Soros give money to remove PM Modi? By the way, Trump also mentioned Russia in his statement. Trump said that if Russia spends even $2 to interfere in the American election, there will be an uproar in the world. But 21 million were sent to India. That is, Donald Trump is indicating that there should be a debate on this issue in India and it should also be investigated. US President Trump has raised question on the purpose of funding of $21 million. From America to increase voter participation in election in India. Trump said that why are we giving this fund to India? They have a lot of money. India is one of the countries that impose the highest tariff in the world, especially for us. I respect India and their PM, but why $21 million? USAID has contributed $21 million to the Election Commission of India. The department has released a list of 15 such funding including India, and BJP raised questions from them to find out who benefit from the funds. Former Chief Election Commissioner S.Y. Qureshi said that there is no truth in the news of American funding, referring to the recent controversy related to the American organization USAID and a comment by US President Donald Trump. The Congress urged the central government to issue a white paper giving a detailed account of the assistance given by this organization to the government and non-government institutions of India. Party General Secretary Jairam Ramesh claimed that the claims being made by US President Trump in the context of USAID are absurd. Ramesh posted on X, USAID is in a lot of discussion these days. It was established on November 3, 1961. By the way, the claims being made by the US President are absurd, to say the least. Nevertheless, the government of India should issue a white paper as soon as possible, which contains a detailed account of the assistance given by USAID to government and non-government institutions over the decades.